Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel Baby Care Tamil. Top baby brands and product reviews are available in our channel. If you didn't subscribe for the channel, kindly subscribe for Baby Care Tamil to know about more baby care products. Every video will look after about baby care products or about separate baby products. So in this video we're going to look about that how to choose soap for newborn babies. So it is a very big confused moment for all new mommies and mommies to that how to choose a soap for a baby, that is how to get a gentle soap, or how to uh, get a very good natural or organic soap. So the soap should not be irritate or should not make the skin dry. So many kind of questions will be there in new moms to that how to choose a very good soap for baby skin. So today I'm going to tell you about the very important 5 points to that how to choose soap for newborn babies. So once if you consider this 5 points and if you choose a soap, it will be surely it will be a very good soap for your baby skin. So let's check it out. What are the 5 important points? Yes, so these are the very important 5 points that you should consider when you are choosing a soap for a newborn babies. And these are the 5 points, which is skin sensitive, first point, and second point is mild fragrance, and third point is ingredients to be avoided, and fourth point is prefer a natural soap, and the last point is should be a hypoallergical. So these are the very important points. Whenever you choosing a soap for babies, you should try it out. Let's now the point detailedly. So first point we should consider when choosing a soap is skin sensitive. So whenever we choose a soap for babies, it should not have it should be have very mild and very gentle to their skin. It should not be very harmful, or it should not be very hard to baby skin, because their skin is very soft and it will be very smooth. So we should choose a very mild and very gentle soap for them, because it won't cause any dryness or other skin irritation to baby skin normally. When we choose a mild soap, you must check that there should not any harsh chemicals like SLS, SLES and parabens, etc. So these are the chemicals should mainly avoided in soap, so that baby skin will be very gentle and very soft and smooth, because these kind of chemicals will make discomfort to your baby's bodies, or discomfort to your baby skin. They will get irritation or itching, some other like that. So we should first point there is skin sensitive whenever you choose a soap for baby. So next point is mild fragrance. So nowadays there are many kind of baby soaps, many kind of baby brands are in market. So they all using some kind of perfume or some kind of aroma ingredients to the soaps to make the soap for a little fragrance. So second thing, we should avoid this kind of soaps, that is called like fragrance free soap. We should avoid it for baby skin, because baby skin is very delicate. So we should avoid this fragrance soap. It will make harmful, or it will make irritation to your baby skin, and also it will make your baby skin dry very fast. So we should avoid the fragrance soap also. So this is the second point we should consider whenever we choose a baby soap. And third point we should get is ingredients to be avoided. So this some kind of ingredients should be totally avoided in baby soap, because that will make very harmful to baby skin, or to baby health. So what are the chemicals is parabens, sulfates, DEA. These are the very harmful chemicals, because it will make some kind of many kind of skin issues in baby skin, because they are very delicate and very soft and smooth skin. So it will make harmful to your baby skin. You should check whenever you are going to get any soap. You should check the ingredients definitely, because what are the ingredients and what are the components are used in the soap. It should not not make your baby skin harmful, or it should not irritate your baby skin. So we should check the ingredients which are good and bad, and we should avoid the ingredients which is very bad to the babies. So pick a very natural soap, all over get a very natural and safety ingredient soap to babies, so that their skin and they will be very healthy also. So whenever you are choosing a soap, you should consider ingredients to be avoided. This is the third point you should be considered. Point we're going to see is prefer a natural soap. So whenever you are picking a soap for baby, you kindly choose a organic or a natural kind of soap, natural ingredients conduct soap, because it will cleanse and hydrate your baby skin naturally, organic also, and also your baby skin will be more and more healthy. Even you should avoid avoid herbal product which is blended with artificial ingredients. You should avoid that kind of soap also, because even it will make your baby skin dry and rough, and also it lead to irritation, and also it lead to getting rashes faster. So you should surely avoid artificial soap and get into getting a natural soap. So if your baby skin is very sensitive, you definitely get avoid from soy, nuts or egg and milk. This kind of products and ingredients will make baby skin very very harmful if your baby having a sensitive skin. So kindly prefer a very very natural soap and very very organic soap for your babies. And the fifth point, the last point is should be hypoallergical. So whenever you're picking or you are getting any soap for babies, kindly check that soap is hypoallergical, isn't it? Because every baby skin is very sensitive skin when they are in newborn. So many kind of skin issues will be created for them normally. So if it is hypoallergical soap, we can be very cool, because there won't be any allergy reaction on baby skin. So whenever you're getting a soap, kindly check that soap is a hypoallergical or not, because if you take a hypoallergical soap, there won't be any kind of allergy reaction. So this is the fifth point you should be consider whenever you are picking a soap for a newborn babies. So these are the very important 5 points we should consider whenever we are choosing a soap for newborn babies, because if you checked out these 5 points, then the soap is very good, and it will be make your baby skin very good and very healthy also. So whenever you're going to get a soap, kindly get natural, handmade and organic soap for babies, so that your baby skin will be very good and very pleasant, very organic and natural also. So get a natural soap for your babies. There are many kind of natural organic soaps in market, so you can get it directly. So these are the 5 points we should consider whenever we are choosing a soap for baby. So guys, if you think the video is useful to you, kindly like my video, share my video and subscribe to Baby Care Tamil. Let me meet you again with a baby care products video, and until it's bye from Meena, thank you. Until it's bye from Meena, thank you.